In this video, I'll show you how you can connect a second controller to your PS5 Pro. So there are a couple of ways you can do this. So the first one is by using a USB cable. So let's say for instance you got a new controller and you'd like to connect it to your PS5 Pro. So all you have to do is connect the USB cable onto your PS5 Pro, and then on the other end simply plug in your controller. So the new controller. So plug in the new controller. And then once you plug in the new controller, all you have to do is press the power button or the PS5 button, and then you can choose the profile that you'd like to use for that particular controller. And there you go. That's one way you can connect it. So another way you can connect a second controller is by using Bluetooth. So on the new controller, simply put it into pairing mode. So press the PS5 button and the share button together until the light starts flicking or blinking rapidly. Then once it's in pairing mode, grab the other controller and go to the Bluetooth settings on your PS5. So select the settings wheel icon in the top right corner. And then within the settings, scroll down and select accessories, and then choose general, and then choose Bluetooth accessories. Now from here, it will scan for any available controllers, and you can see mine has been discovered. So all you have to do is select it and then confirm by selecting yes. And now that will connect your second controller to your PS5 Pro. And then now you can choose in the profile that you'd like to use. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.